Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on translation. If an object is moved in a straight line without the object undergoing any turning motion, then the object has undergone a translation. The object maintains the same shape and size. It moves in one direction for a particular distance. So if we take this triangle here in these examples, the triangle ABC, it moves in a straight line, and here we have the image. So it moves in a straight line for a particular distance, and the shape and size is still the same. Here we have another example. This bolt of lightning moves from there to there in a straight line. The straight line doesn't have to be vertical or horizontal. It can be in any direction for a particular distance, and that's the same shape and size. Same thing here, the pre-image and then the image. Pre-image means the existing or the original one, and then as you slide along you get the image exactly the same. Same size, same shape, moved in a straight line a particular distance. It's like a sliding motion. Same with this object here, from there to there, exactly the same. Don't worry about the colour, we're just highlighting that that's the original and that's the image, but the size and shape are the same. Some examples in real life. If you have an individual sitting at a chair, for example, moving a chair closer or further away from a computer table, ignore the rotation of the wheels. So if you just look at the chair and you move it either way in a straight line, that's a reasonable example of translation. If you have a drawer, see that drawer there? That slides in and out. That's a very good example of a translation. And also this door here, if that door slides across, it's the same shape and size, and it just moves in a straight line. And this is similar. The sliding window is actually very similar to the sliding door. It just goes backwards and forwards. It doesn't change the shape or the size, and it moves in a straight line. Some examples in real life again. Some planes moving in the sky. If you assume they're moving in a straight line, we can assume, for all intents and purposes, that we have a translation, because the planes haven't changed shape or size. These swans slowly gliding, keeping their bodies still. So if they're gliding along the water, they appear to be very, very still, and they're gliding along the water. That's a reasonable example of a translation. And over here we have this carpenter sliding a wood plane in a straight line. So there's the wood plane, which does a bit of shaving. It smooths the timber. Moving it in a straight line is a reasonable example of translation. So this video has introduced us to the idea of translation, where we move an object in a straight line for a particular distance. There's no rotation, and the object maintains the same shape and the same size as the original object.